Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jurassic World Alive on PC. Many players enjoy the game's unique blend of collection and strategy, and playing on a larger screen can greatly enhance the experience. We will explore the simple steps to get your favorite dinosaur adventure running smoothly on your desktop or laptop, providing a more comfortable and immersive way to manage your prehistoric creatures. Choosing the right emulator is your first crucial step. Options like BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player are widely used and offer excellent compatibility. Visit their official websites to download the installer. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes. Just follow the prompts, and you will be ready for the next stage of setting up your game. Once your emulator is installed, launch it and sign in using your Google account, just as you would on a new Android device. Navigate to the Google Play Store within the emulator's interface. From there, simply search for Jurassic World Alive and proceed with the installation. The game will download and install directly into your virtual Android environment, ready for launch. To truly maximize your gameplay, take some time to optimize your emulator settings. Adjusting graphics and performance options can ensure smooth frame rates. Many emulators also allow you to customize keyboard controls, giving you precise command over your dinosaurs. For an even more immersive feel, connecting a gamepad can transform your PC experience into something truly extraordinary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.